What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to another Cut the Rope 3-star walkthrough. Today I will be walking through level 6 on Foil Box. And if you did need help with any other levels on Cut the Rope, whether that be prior to level 6 or further on in this series, I have actually walked through every single Cut the Rope level, and there is a playlist linked at the top of the description down below, so if you need any other levels to be walked through with 3 stars for you, the videos are all nice and short. It'll be linked right at the top of the description for you. But as for this video, we are doing level 6, so let me hop into it and show you what you need to do to get to 3 stars. Hopping in and continuing the theme of sliders on the foil box, you just slide this all the way to the right, getting the first star. Then on the second row, you slide it all the way to the left, getting the 3rd star. And then you continue to do the same thing to eventually slide it into Omnom's mouth. The only thing that you have to be careful on here is to not go too quickly with the sliders. Otherwise, the candy can tend to bounce around and eventually get stuck up in the spikes. But if you go at a good pace like I did, you'll eventually get the hang of it and get the feel for what you need to do. And it should be nice and simple. If you could get past the metal bars, the stars come nice and easy after that. So there you are with your 3-star rating. Like I said, if you need help on any other levels, that playlist will be linked at the top of the description. Other than that, if you had questions on this level itself, drop a comment down below and I will try to help you down there. Other than that, if you found this helpful, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.